Yo, what's Sorry guys. If you couldn't hear me, just go to on my YouTube channel, sign in if you already signed in, do what I do. Guys, so you need to get your channel a name. I want to go to your channel. Hit Creator Studio. Shoot, that's weird. And go to your profile picture, and then go to settings, and hit edit on Google. And then you can just hit, and all this will pop up, and you can scroll down all the way down here and do your first last nickname. Display my name as that's my YouTube channel, and you can just make your own YouTube channel. And if you don't have a picture, you can go to there, and if there's no pictures here, just hit upload photo, and then find your photo that you did. And then how to post a video is you go to upload here, click on that, and do your uploading. So all you do is click on that, and your video files will pop up, and then you just click on the video you want to do, and then do all the editing and stuff, and just hit do that, and then it'll upload, and it'll process, and then boom, you have a video up. So it's actually pretty easy. And if you guys want to ever check out my channel, all you gotta do is go to search and search what I'm gonna do right now. Search that. And then you'll find me. And then this is, of course, what it'll look like when I'm in here, because it'll say create add channel art because it's my channel. And if you want to add channel art, just go to add channel art. And you want to go select from your computer and pick one. Pick one. And you'll have it. Like, I'll do my killer snake one, and then it'll upload. Do you want your photo to upload? It's too small. If it's too small, well, that sucks. And you just go to your photos. And go to professional photos. All these photos are obviously too small. Probably not gonna be able to get this one on here. No, because I can't. Stinks. So if your photo's not too big, not big enough, that's bad. So if you want to change your thing, you just go to your channel, click on the pencil, and hit edit. And then you'll come back up with this. And then go to your photos, of course. Like, I'm going to change mine, because mine, I want something else. Like, actually, so. I'll pick mine. Of course, you guys can't see my files right now. Sorry about that, but I don't know if you can. You might. Oh. Oh, yeah. I don't know what I'm doing. What was that? What was this one? Oh. Yeah, no. Got all my files, of course. Of course, you guys can't see it. Maybe you can. I don't know. Bam. There's my new profile picture. Boom shakalaka. Like, it's there. So go to your channel. It'll take a little bit, but no need to subscribe to yourself. Yeah, so of course go to my channel and hit this little button right here. Of course, for me it'll say no need to subscribe to yourself, but yeah, just go to my channel and click that button, turn the notifications on, and you will never miss my videos. Oh, peace out. That was a stupid intro. I'm gonna redo that intro, guys. And bye-bye.